Dear children, today I want to tell you about effect of force. So, what is force? First, you should understand what is force. In daily life, we are familiar with so many activities which included in them push or pull. Force in science, force is any kind of push or pull, like lifting, twisting or kicking, lifting any object or holding, that is called pull. That included pushing or pulling. So little demonstration I want to show, like very simple activity, like this is a door. I am pushing it for opening it. So pushing, and this is called pulling. For closing it I am, or shutting the door I am pulling it. So what is push or pull? Push means when any object move away from us. This is called, now the door is moving away from me, so it is pushing. And when it's coming towards me, that is pulling. When we want to move any object away from us, then we have to push. And when any object come towards us, that is pulling. I hope you understood what is push and pull. So, in daily life, so many activities included such kind of things that included pushing or pulling. I want to demonstrate that activities. Please come with me. Like this is a book and I am pushing it, means I am moving the book away from it, away from me, means this is pushing. And if I want to bring the book towards me, means this activity is pulling in science. So this is force. So force, we can't see the force in with naked eye, where is the force in our surrounding, but the effect of force we can judge. So many effects of force I want to demonstrate here, which are available in our home and in our daily life. So many activities we are doing which included force. So I want to explain here effect of force. Force can change the shape and size of any object. Suppose you can see here, this is a paper, simple paper, and if with the force I am crushing it, so the shape of the paper is changing. Okay? And or if with force I am tearing it, so its size is changing. This is force. Squeezing of wet cloth. This cloth is wet and I am squeezing it, means its shape is changing, and squeezing activity is a kind of pushing activity. So this is a force. Effect of force, as much as water is coming out, that much force I have applied here. So this also involved pushing or squeezing included, that kind of pushing. Now, while kneading a dough, the shape of the dough is changing. So you can see here the shape of dough is changing. This is also force. Now, simple inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling, air is pushing inside and our lungs expand. And while exhaling, so air pushes out by the lungs, and lungs inside contract while exhaling. That biological activities also included different pushing or pulling. In our physical activities, like while eating food or digesting, the food pushes downward with the force. Like this is a ball, and dropping of ball is also example of a kind of push. Or if I am kicking the ball, this is also example of a kind of push or force, you can say. Now, stretching of rubber band. Stretching of rubber band, you can see here also shape and size of the rubber band is changing. So it is also effect of force. By effect of force, shape and size of the object have been changed. You have seen here so many demonstration. Now force can move the object from its stationary condition. Stationary situation means object when it is at rest, like this is a book at rest. It is not moving, but with force I am moving it, or I am holding it and I am putting other side with the help of force. So here the force move object from stationary condition to its place have been changed. Here is the ball, or suppose the pen is rolling. Pen is, or pencil I have taken, pencil is rolling. So this is also example of force can move the object. Moving object, the force can stop the moving object. The pencil is stopping automatically because of the frictional force applied by the table. Yes. Now I am rolling a ball, and this ball stopped by my hand like this. So what force you are looking here? What is the effect of force? Force can move the object from its stationary condition at rest and also stop the moving object. The moving ball is stopped by my hand. So this is also effect of force. Now exploring force. One more thing I want to tell here. The unit of force is Newton. To honor Isaac Newton, Newton has discovered the force. So it is represented by N. 1 Newton is equal to 9.8 kilogram, or in round off we can say 1 Newton is equal to 10 kilogram. Now exploring the force. When two forces are applied from same direction, the net force is the sum of two forces, and the force is doubled and object can be moved easily. So little demonstration. We two people are pushing this table in the same direction. So force is applied from the same direction, so the table is moved easily. Because the force is doubled, the force of we two people is the sum of two forces. So the net force is the double. Now the same object when applied from the force is applied from the opposite direction. So now look what happened. The object force is applied from the opposite direction and same magnitude force. Magnitude means strength of the force. So what is the resultant force here? The resultant force is the difference between two forces. We both are applying same magnitude of force, so the resultant force is 0. But if my force or Amandeep's force is more, the object will move in the direction where the more force is applied. My force is lesser here and Amandeep's force is more, so the object moves in the direction where the more force is applied. Now this was the exploring the force to effect I told you. Now I want to tell you the state of force can change the state of object. State means direction and speed of any object. Like while playing the cricket. Cricket is outdoor activity, but only demonstration we are doing. Like while bowling, the ball direction is, the speed of ball is changing and direction of ball is also changing here. Now while playing the badminton, the shuttlecock direction and speed is changing. That is also called state of motion. So force can change the state of motion. So what are the effect of force? Force can change the stationary object, make the object move from its stationary condition. Force can stop the moving object. Third, force can change shape and size of the object. Number 4, force can change the state of the motion or object. Okay, thank you.